Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this wig from VIVIBABI. It is a 4x4 closure and it is a deep curly wig. So first things first, I'm just going to go ahead and put the wig on. Now off camera, I already went ahead and plucked the wig in the front and bleached the knots as well. And underneath, I just put makeup on my wig cap. I didn't really feel like doing the ball cap method because I didn't want to keep the wig on that long. So now you guys are just going to see me parting it so that I can do a middle part. Now, after I go ahead and do that, I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lace off. So for the glue, I'm going to go ahead and start off by using the Bold Hold Active. As you guys can see, I'm just going to start using small little dots across my forehead where the lace is going to lay. And then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and take the end of my tweezers. Yes, I'm taking the end of my tweezers. And I'm just going to go ahead and spread out. Usually I would use like a popsicle stick for this, but at the time, this is the only thing that I had to smooth it out. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this and smooth it out as much as I can. With this glue, you want to try to smooth it out as flat and as thin as you can because sometimes it can get bulky and it can get a little white. That's why you see me going over it a couple times just to make sure that it's spread out evenly. So after that, I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry it, and you guys want to make sure that you spread it out thinly enough so that once it dries, it'll turn clear color. You do not want to lay your lace down on top of it while it is still white because then it won't mesh well when you go to put makeup and stuff on it, if you do put makeup on the lace and stuff like that. So before you guys lay down your lace, make sure that it is clear and it looks like this before you guys lay it down. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take the Got2b spray and spray it on my lace. I like to do this just to give the lace in the front a little extra hold if I'm going to be wearing it for like a couple of days. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and continue to spray the Got2b spray and then go ahead and blow dry it. So after I was finished gluing the wig on, I realized that the lace in the front was looking a little bit too light to me. So now in these next few clips, you guys are going to be seeing me add some powder to my hairline just to make sure that everything blends. So now that my hair is tied down in the front, I'm going to go ahead and cut the edges. I probably should have waited to do this last because after I cut it, I realized that it looked kind of crazy. So I just went ahead and took it off, then reshaped the baby hairs and then tied it back up because, yeah, it was looking a little crazy. But yeah, now I'm just going to go ahead and continue to shape my baby hairs and then retie it back up. This is the finished look. I went ahead and put some makeup on. So this is what the hair looks like when it is completely dry. And if I didn't say it in the beginning, this hair is 24 inches. I'll show you guys how long it looks on me. I am 5'5", so it comes down to about like right here, but it does stretch like pretty far, like to my waist. So yeah, first thoughts on this hair. I really like it. It's really soft. I'll do another update in like a month or two to show you guys how the hair holds up. But yeah, that's the end of my video, and that's it, you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video.